Hey dear learners, are you happy? Yes, you are happy. Uh, so why are you happy? What is the reason behind your happiness? Can you answer this question? I think you can answer this question, but I will teach you some different ways to say the answer of these questions. Why are you happy? Okay, so today I will teach you the most common way to say why are you happy is to use the verb and adjective pairs. These pairs are be happy and feel happy. These two pairs you can use to express the cause of your happiness. Then, if you want to say why are you happy, you can add two prepositions about or with. If you use about, it means you are glad for something happened or will happen. For example, I am happy about having a long and relaxing weekend. I was happy about my grades in school. I was happy about my grades in school. Okay? If you use with, it means you are satisfied with what you have or experience you had. For example, uh, I am satisfied with my job. I am satisfied with my job. Okay? I am satisfied with my phone. I am satisfied with my result. So dear learners, you can use these two formation to express your expression of your happiness or what is the cause. What is the cause of your happiness? Okay. So dear learners, if you like this video, please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share, and follow my Facebook page and do nice comment to inspire me. So dear learners, no more today. See you again the next video. Okay. So thanks for watching the video.